Hi, I will be doing example 2.4.3, the center of gravity. This question is more straightforward as they have already given you the values for mass and kg above baseline. So you just simply fill in all the values for mass, kg, and we times the both of them to find the moment of mass. Add all of them up together and you get this value: 22320, 34.8, 159,358. Next, to find kg, we simply take the sum of first moment of mass from the Q, which is the baseline, 159,358, which you have calculated earlier on, and divided by the mass, and you will get 7.14 meter. Part B is you have to increase by the kg by 1 meter, which is you have to add 1 to all of these kg here, and you get a new kg, and multiply the new kg with the mass again to find the moment of mass, and add all of them up together, take the moment of mass divided by the new kg to find the new kg. Here, 8.14.